Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I hope you guys are having a gorgeous day. I have in my PLouise subscription box and I'm pretty sure this is the September 2023 unboxing that we're going to do. I will know for sure once I get into the box. There's usually a little invoice that will tell me, but they ship a little bit later, and my box always seems to be slower than everybody else's box as well. I'm not quite sure why, but I sometimes get off on my months, and I'm pretty sure we're up to September. But maybe this is October. We're gonna find out though. We're gonna do an unboxing today. I'm gonna show you guys my latest PLouise subscription box. We're gonna find out what month that is once I open it up here. And we're gonna see what's inside. So this is my PLouise subscription box, and this is a monthly beauty box. Now, PLouise is a very large online retailer that has lots of different beauty products, and then every month they will put some of those products into a monthly box. It does ship from the UK, so that's why shipping can be a little bit behind is the only thing. I do have a link down below for you guys though if you are interested in it. So inside of our box, it looks like this. It feels full. There's actually a very big box, you guys. Okay, so now my brain is thinking, like the wheels are turning. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but PLouise is known to do amazing eyeshadow palettes. We have seen some this year and they're just gorgeous and they're over the top and beautiful and just extra, right? For there to be a big box like this tells me we're gonna get something really special this month, and now I'm excited. Now, like, oh my goodness, I don't know what we have here, but this is gonna be good. I can feel it. And yes, it is the September box. I kind of had a feeling, even though I know we're in November, I kind of had a gut feeling this was September's. My October box has shipped. I just don't have it yet, but we are opening up the September box here. So first item that I have is a Drive Me Balmy Wishful Watermelon. This is something balmy. I don't know what this is just yet. It's cute, but I always say that, right? So we definitely have the watermelon vibe going on, and I get that it's a balm product. I just don't know what this is just yet. Like, is it a lip balm? But it may also be like a cleansing balm, like a face cleansing balm. Let's see. Oh no, lip balms, definitely. Ta-da! That's cute. Look at how that opens. I love it. So this is a moisturizing lip balm set. We have it in Make It Melon. And then we also have the Wishful Watermelon product, but I don't know what that is. So let's go ahead and look at this first one. This is the lip balm here, and this is Make It Melon. This is a full-size product, and it says that it's going to give you hydration for your lips, but it's going to have that watermelon flavor to it. And then they also sent over the Wishful Watermelon something. Is this like a pen? Let me open this and see. Oh, it's a stick and it's a little heart. Okay, so that's cute. You get a little heart here and then you get the stick this way versus this one will pump out like this. So I think it's just a different applicator is the only thing. This is going to be more of like your lip gloss with hydration versus this is like your balmy stick. Okay, I finally figured it out. We also have a skincare product in this box. This is the Repair Lotion product. Now this one says Repair from 2022. So we have a full-size skin lotion that will help to repair and give you hydration and moisture back to your skin. You can use this all over. It's not just a facial lotion. You can use this as even like a hand lotion if you wanted to. It is a sealed bottle, so that way it will stay fresh. Okay, so now we're up to the big boy, right? I got the big item here. This is the last item inside of the box, and typically PLouise will send you anywhere from 3 to 4 products a month. It used to be at the beginning of the year, we always had 4 items in the box. There were more of them, but I have found that when they do these really big items or these big palettes that have multiple shadows in them, they typically will only send 1 or 2 additional items along with it for that month. I'm okay with it just because these palettes already pay for the box. So I understand why they're not sending as many other items with it. So this is my giant box. Ew, there's spiders on it. I hate spiders. Like, it's the only thing I can honestly say I am terrified of. So I'm like, why did you have to ruin it that way? So this is the Hocus Pocus Regain Focus. It is a palette for eye and face. And it's supposed to be a book. Okay, I get where we're going with this one. It says, Hocus Pocus Regain Focus. Sometimes razor-edged words come from those who lurk closest. Oh my goodness, this is going to be fun. I can feel it. I just don't like the spiders. Like, I'm already going to give a negative critique just for freaking spiders. I hate those things. Is this not over the top, you guys? Like, it actually has the full book shape. When you hold it, it feels like a book. And then on the front, you have a leather strap. There's a locket. And then it comes with your key to actually open up this. Is that not adorable? I mean, that's so unique. I love it. So we're going to go ahead and open this up here. I got to see what this is like. Does this locket work? Let me see here. Ah, it does. You literally put the key in and it will come off that. Oh, that's so cool. All right, so we got this opened up here. We have our locket off. So cute. And then this will open up here on the side. It's all magnetic. We have a mirror on one side. And then look over here. This is so cute. So extra. I love it. You guys, this is what our eyeshadow palette looks like. So I love, we've got a whole section of purples up here. We've got our greens. We've got a little bit of yellow, blue going on to complement it. And then of course we've got like our dark black. Black is great for any look because you can always smoke it out then. So I love that. Is this two-tiered or is that it? Like, it is really thick. I think maybe that's it. No. There's one on the other side. The back opens, you guys. So then you can open it this way. I kept thinking this is really big. And then over here, we've actually got our orange and red. So it's cool tone and warm tone once again. I just knew. I was like, this is so thick. I feel like it's a waste. But this will be your warm tones. And then on the other side, you have your cool tones. Okay, that is awesome. I love that. Oh, you guys, there's so much to look at. So I'm going to give you guys your close-up real quick here and you can look at these shadows. I'm assuming the formula on this is going to be as good as any of the other ones that I've tried from PLouise. She typically has really great quality on her shadows. So I wouldn't expect anything less in terms of formula and the way that these perform. I do love that she's got a whole theme going here with all of these shadows. I'm kind of shocked they put this in the September box and not the October one, but maybe they wanted to get this out to people early. Maybe that was the idea behind it. So that is everything inside of my PLouise for September. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this beauty box. I tell you what, the months that we get these palettes are my favorite. And now going forward, I'm sure in November, it's not going to be like my favorite ever, but then we're going to get to December and I guarantee you there's going to be a banger of a palette in that box. Plus we've got the Advent that's coming up as well, which that should be super exciting. So all in all, PLouise to me is just a very exciting makeup beauty brand and I can't wait to see what's next. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!